In the last video, I showed you how to create the base of this rose-only greenery centerpiece for your wedding, which was a really cost-effective way to do that. This is all made without foam, so it's a sustainable approach to your wedding flowers. And today I'm gonna show you how to take it to the next level by adding in some additional flower varieties. We're gonna add some of this waxflower. I believe this is the Sweet 16 variety. And it's just gonna create some whimsy. It's really beautiful and pretty the way it sits. And it also helps to create some depth. Fills in some of these blank spots. So we're just gonna go around and pop that in. Paying attention to, again, where there's some extra spots in between these roses and where it would be nice for it to just kind of add height and space and shape and a little bit of whimsy. So you can see we have a little more whimsy and movement in our arrangement now. So now we've gone from this original classic look of all roses to this whimsical garden-inspired arrangement where it looks like it is just growing up from the ground with these beautiful anemone coming out in all the different directions with their beautiful wiry stems and the beautiful whimsical wax flower. Classic, all roses, simple but sweet to this elevated approach. You subscribe to be notified and like this video if you enjoyed it.